Looking for the best robotic pool cleaner in 2026? In this video, we review the top robotic pool cleaners that make pool maintenance faster, easier, and more efficient. From advanced navigation systems to powerful suction and wall climbing performance, we've compared the best models to help you find the perfect fit for your pool. Watch until the end to discover which robotic cleaner deserves the top spot this year. Number 3. The iGarden Robotic Pool Cleaner K40 is a smart, cordless pool vacuum designed to make pool maintenance easier, faster, and more efficient. Built to handle both in-ground and above-ground pools up to 3,814 square feet. This advanced cleaner combines powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and flexible control options to deliver a truly hands-free cleaning experience. One of its standout features is the impressive 4-hour runtime, offering up to 240 minutes of floor cleaning or 150 minutes of complete coverage, including floors, walls, and the waterline. The advanced OmniLogic system continuously optimizes cleaning routes using intelligent 3DS path planning, ensuring thorough coverage without unnecessary overlap or missed areas. Performance is equally impressive. Equipped with 3 brushless motors, a turbine-grade impeller, and HyperBoost technology, the K40 generates up to 22,000 lph of suction power. Turbo mode boosts performance by 200% to tackle heavy debris, leaves, pollen, sand, and fine particles with ease. The large 4-liter top-loading filter basket with 180 micrometers filtration helps maintain crystal-clear water while reducing maintenance frequency. Users consistently praise the cleaner's smart navigation, easy app controls, and ability to eliminate the hassle of manual pool cleaning. Features like scheduled cleaning, auto parking, touchscreen controls, OTA updates, and a 3-year warranty add even more value. Overall, the iGarden K40 is a powerful and intelligent investment that transforms pool care into a simple, stress-free task. Number 2. The Aiper Scuba V3 Ultra AI Cognitive Robotic Pool Cleaner and Skimmer is a premium all-in-one pool maintenance solution that combines powerful cleaning performance with cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Designed for homeowners who want a truly hands-free experience, this cordless robotic cleaner uses dual-camera AI vision and cognitive AI Navium technology to identify over 20 types of debris and optimize its cleaning path in real time. With impressive 8,500 GPH dual pump suction power, the Scuba V3 Ultra easily captures leaves, sand, sticks, algae, and fine particles in a single pass. Its comprehensive cleaning system covers floors, walls, water lines, surface debris, and shallow areas, reducing the need for multiple cleaning devices. The advanced micromesh multi-layer filtration system combines a 180 micrometers filter with a 3 micrometers ultrafine filter to leave pool water noticeably clearer and cleaner. The innovative Jelly Float buoyancy lift engine enables smooth vertical movement, obstacle recovery, and stable surface cleaning. Once the job is complete, the robot automatically rises to the waterline for effortless retrieval, while the quick drain design makes lifting easier. Users consistently praise its smarter navigation, stronger suction, and improved filtration compared to previous models. Although it's a premium investment, many agree the time, energy, and maintenance it saves make it well worth the price. Overall, the Aiper Scuba V3 Ultra delivers exceptional convenience, intelligent performance, and professional-level pool cleaning results. Number 1. The Beatbot AquaSense 2 Ultra Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a premium, feature-packed solution designed to take the hassle out of pool maintenance. Built for complex pool layouts, this advanced cleaner uses AI mapping technology, a 4-core CPU, and 27 intelligent sensors to create precise cleaning routes, avoid obstacles, and ensure complete coverage. Through the companion app, users can even view cleaning paths in real time for added confidence and control. Its impressive 5-in-1 cleaning system tackles virtually every aspect of pool care, cleaning the floor, walls, waterline, and surface debris, while also improving water clarity through BeatBot's innovative clear water clarification technology. The included eco-friendly clarifier binds fine particles for cleaner, clearer water without complicated chemical mixing. Convenience is a major highlight. The cordless design eliminates tangled cables, while Smart Surface Parking automatically brings the robot to the surface when cleaning is complete or the battery runs low. A one-touch app command guides it to the pool edge, and the Smart Drain system makes lifting the unit out of the water surprisingly effortless. Users consistently praise the easy setup, intuitive app experience, effective debris collection, and noticeable reduction in pool maintenance time. Many consider it a major upgrade over previous robotic cleaners. Backed by 3-year full replacement protection, UV-resistant construction, and extensive quality testing, the AquaSense 2 Ultra delivers exceptional performance, innovation, and peace of mind for pool owners seeking a truly hands-free cleaning experience. Thanks for watching our countdown of the best robotic pool cleaners of 2026. We hope this review helped you find the perfect pool cleaning robot for your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and buying guides. Let us know in the comments which robotic pool cleaner is your favorite, or if you have one to recommend. See you in the next review.